Looking for a quick and easy dinner that uses up that leftover chicken in the fridge? Well, I've put it all together for you in this easy-to-follow tutorial. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me, and let's get started.
We need 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 medium onion, a tube of crescent rolls, leftover chicken, 2 cups of frozen peas and carrots, 1½ cups of chicken broth. This is a ½ teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, ½ teaspoon of poultry seasoning, 2 heaping tablespoons of crushed garlic, and a 1/4 cup of flour. We'll also need 3/4 cup milk. Don't get too excited about all these ingredients. I will walk you through each and every one, and most of these will be just dumped right into a skillet.
In a skillet over medium heat, place half of your butter.
Let that melt. Slice and dice your onion. Once your butter is melted, place your chopped onions in the pan. And let those cook a good 2 to 3 minutes. While that's cooking down, let's get the chicken off the bone. And now you can shred this or cut it. I prefer to cut it. Cutting it into cubes. Once the onions have been cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, add your frozen peas and carrots. Cook those for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add your garlic. And the chicken. Give it a good stir till well combined. And now it's time to add that flour. Sprinkle it evenly over your mixture. And give it a stir until everything is coated. There we go. We're going to let that cook for another 30 seconds to a minute. After that is cooked for a minute or so, go ahead and add your chicken broth. That's 1½ cups of chicken broth. Giving it a good stir. We're going to continue and let that cook for another 2 to 3 more minutes, stirring occasionally. Sprinkle in your seasonings. A little black pepper to taste. And now you're going to need 3/4 cup of milk or heavy cream. If you're using the milk like I am, you'll need that last 3 tablespoons of butter. If you're using heavy cream, omit that butter. Continue cooking that on low until thickened, another 2 to 3 minutes.
If you're giving this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below how you feel about it. I'd really love to hear from you.
I have placed the mixture, once done, in some casserole dishes. You can use any dish you like to bake in. Bake in a 375-degree oven. Place some croissant dough right over the top of that. Some of it will be pretty, some of it won't.
But it'll all bake out in the oven and come out looking pretty good.
Place in the oven and bake to 12 to 15 minutes or until the croissants are golden brown.
Thanks for joining me today, and if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Comment below with any questions or suggestions. I'd really love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And here's 1 or 2 more videos from my channel. Please consider checking them out.